In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore messages on Facebook Messenger. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. All you want to do is open up your Messenger application. Now, you're going to see different things here. The first thing you want to do to recover messages is just go to your archived and make sure there aren't any messages in your archived. If you've gone ahead and checked that, what you want to do is go to the bottom right where it has your menu icon, then go to the top where it has your settings. And you just want to go ahead and scroll down and go to the Meta Account Center. And now from here, you're going to see the third option is going to be your information and permissions. So go ahead and click on that right there. And then what you're going to have to go ahead and do is you're going to have to press download your information or access your information. So once you press access your information, it's going to open up Facebook and it's going to show, what you can actually access, like your Facebook activity, anything like that. So on the bottom, it's going to give you an option to download information. So just go ahead and do that. And it's going to download a copy of your information to like your Files app on whatever phone you're using. And yeah, it's as simple as that.